How to use Google Earth. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use googleearth.com easy and fast in less than 2 minutes. So all what you have to do, this is the home page as you can see. Now if you want to search for a place in this world, all what you have to do is click here on this little search bar and then go to the search here and search, for example, for California. After you click on it, it will take you directly to California as you can see. Very easy and fast. And if you want, for example, to add a place mark on a place, zoom and click here. And then click on the place that you want like this and add the name and click save. Now it's saved as you can see. And if you want to draw a shape or a line, or all what you have to do is choose again the place that you want. So I'm gonna choose this place, for example, and click here. Now from here you can draw a shape as you can see, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And we also have some other options that you will need to know about. For example, the settings. Go here and click here. Right here you will find the fly animation. You can enable it or disable it, and you can also have the fly animation speed and many other options. You can also change the application theme from here if you want. And this is the memory cache size. You can manage it also if you have a low graphic card. As you can see, you have other options, and if you want to clear search history, scroll down and click here. You will have another options here, for example, the map style. You can change it from here. You can add the grid lines, you can turn on animated clouds and many other options. From here you can also choose the map style. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.